Hey everyone, it's Butt, and I'm back with another stuff. Today is Tuesday, September 14th, and it's the afternoon time, roughly 4 p.m. Central Time. Guys, I have so much information for you guys again. You guys already know that, though, don't you? All right, man, I got so much to talk about. Let's just start with the drop itself, okay, guys? How did it go for Butt Thompson, okay? I got one single blind box, and I think that that's pretty much the story for everybody, okay, guys? I did get one blind box. I know there's a lot of people that didn't get a single blind box, but what I did was I did the trick where you line up the button with the error message, and I just spammed it. I literally just spammed it because I knew it was going to be hot. I wanted to try to get two. There's no way. Just no way that was happening, guys. I did get one, guys, and I pulled an uncommon, guys, and I'm probably gonna put that in the thumbnail, so that's a little bit of clues, I suppose. But I got an uncommon. I'm very happy about it, guys. I consider myself very lucky and fortunate to have gotten an uncommon, guys. That's what I would say about it. Woo! I'm feeling very good about getting that. And I'm excited to go over the Reddits and see what everybody else in the community got, and hopefully you guys also got something nice. And I'm excited to talk about it in general. And what I will say really quick, actually, no, let's just go into the spreadsheet so we can actually talk about everything at once, guys. So, spreadsheet will be linked in the description down below. If you need to know the price of any Veve NFT, you're going to want to come to the link in the description down below. You're looking for column I on the market prices tab as well as column I on the digital comics tab, guys. Now, we've also got three portfolio calculators where you can type in how many of each NFT you have, and it'll tell you what your portfolio is worth. I'll go ahead and make sure that these aren't broken, and then I'll get them cleared out once the video's done. I mean, this is broken, but I don't know what this is supposed to do anyways. Let me just... Oh, okay, so this is broken. Okay, I'll fix this one, and I'll leave it at that. I mean, this whole page is all messed up now, because now there's some random stuff up here. Jeez, guys, come on, you savages. Okay, it's all good though. I'll get that one fixed up. But that's it, guys. But I wanted to talk about a bunch of stuff, guys. Primarily the comic prices, guys. Now my comic prices need to be updated already, guys. I updated them on 9/12, which was 2 days ago, of course. But I'm gonna have to update them tomorrow morning because we've got these prices still moving, guys. I've got to talk about it, okay? Let's quickly cover the drop prices for today. So the common is currently going for 110, guys. The uncommon going for 200, rare going for 400, ultra rare going for 1300, and then the secret rare going for 6800, guys. And I don't think you guys are going to be too surprised by any of that, guys. You guys know these are rare. They're extremely, extremely rare NFTs, believe it or not. Like I said, very happy that I did get an uncommon. Pretty pleased with it. And with that being said, I wanted to talk about the comics because a lot of the comic floor prices are on the rise up. And I'm not going to talk about all of them here. I will talk about the ones that I know for a fact. Let me just check one last one that I need to check on. Well, there's two I want to check on, actually. One of them is the Journey into Mystery Common. Let me see if I can find the Journey into Mystery Common here. Give me one moment here, guys. Okay, well, I'm gonna look up the New Mutants common really quick. Okay, so New Mutants common's at like $8. It's on the spreadsheet at $7, so that one's up $1. Here's the Journey into Mystery common. That one's at $10. It's on the spreadsheet at $8. The Marvel #1 common is at 35, and it's currently going for like 37 or something like that. The Fantastic Four common is up like $2. Um, the House of X common. I'm not even sure about the House of X common. I checked like a lot of the other ones, and I just happened to be stumbling on these ones I didn't check. House of X going for $8, so that one's pretty much where it was at. Um, Marvels, I wouldn't be surprised if this one stayed put, but the rest of them I think I did look at, and I do have some information to report. Let me look up the Marvels one here, though, really quick here, guys. It's not showing me. Oh, there it is. Marvel's Common going for 8. It's on the spreadsheet at 7, so that one's up $1. But the Amazing Spider-Man's up like $3. It's on the spreadsheet at $14. It's going for like $17 now. $3 for a $14 NFT is pretty substantial. The What If comic is also up. It's on the spreadsheet at $9. It is above that right now. Let me just see what it is. The What If comic is going for $12. That's another $3 gain. That's literally 33% jump right there for that comic. The Hulk Future Imperfect also jumped to $12. This thing is at on the spreadsheet at $9, also jumped to $12. And of course, we talked about the Avengers. Now, I would expect that some of the uncommons, rares, ultra rares are going to follow the trend and kind of follow some of these. So keep your eye on all that, guys. I will update the prices tomorrow morning so that the portfolio calculator can be used to great effect. Okay, guys, I'll update the prices tomorrow morning. Just know that if you run a portfolio calculation today, it'll be slightly off. It'll be much more accurate tomorrow. Tomorrow, guys, I promise you guys that. That's my promise. Okay, that's the butt promise. All right, guys, let's go to Reddit because there's 1,000 of them, and we're already at 5 minutes, guys. I wanted to go backwards to the last post from earlier today from Lin 007 saying, "Are comics going to be the next big thing?" I mean, you look at the comic prices today, and you think, the evidence is pointing to yes. And then we got OK Garlic. He's wondering how to get the Ghost Trap to interact with the Slimer. I looked at the video. They weren't lined up properly, and maybe the Slimer was too big. I don't really know. Next, we got Daniel Moraes, 87, saying, "I hit the buy now immediately when I was available and got nothing. I hope you all had better luck." Shout out to our homie Daniel for just, not being, super hurt about that. Come on. That's awesome. I'm glad this guy isn't super hurt about not getting one. That's dope. Next, we got Pumpkin saying, "App crash during purchase. I can't help you, my man. I'm sorry, man." And then we got NFT Elegant saying, "Joke drop." I mean, see, this is what I was expecting to see. I mean, I was expecting to see a lot of people like this. My drop experience, this person also didn't get lucky. Sold out. Another person, Aesthetic Salt, didn't get lucky. Soft release, usually only SR gets sold out. The millisecond of buy now is available. Blind Box Comics, a few seconds. The Avengers Blind Box sold out just as fast as the SR. Yeah, exactly. F this, it sold out in a half a second. Impossible to get one. Another person. Anyone willing to sell Can Comic from the drop? Desperate Rub, bots are ruining this app. More bot talk. Let's address that at the end of the video here. Let's address bots at the end of the video. Infinitus R, I can't believe I got a rare. Still hate blind boxes though, man. This guy just hates blind boxes, but he got a $400 NFT, man. Insane. Shout out to our homie Infinitus R. Representative Kick 99 saying VV app needs one collectible or one comic per drop per account. We'll talk about that at the end. Next, we got Draxis saying, "Is it possible to send comic books to another account?" Yes, it is definitely possible to do that. Wesley Expressly. Yet to see the SR sellout of 86 comics, but I will not complain about this. Today was ripping fast. Then I got the exact same comic as our homie Wesley Expressly. Shout out to Wesley Expressly. Let's go. We got Owen Kelly. People are so mad when they didn't get a limited edition comic that 150,000 others were trying to get one too. Blame BB for their bad luck. We'll talk about that at the end. Shout out Owen Kelly. Next, we got Tutul is my real name. Avengers '08 comic, starting off at 120. Where will it be in a week? I mean, it just depends on where. Man, I can't even predict this, guys. I don't even want to try to predict it. I mean, I know that it's not going to be any of these bottom three answers. I mean, to be honest with you, oh boy. It's one of these two answers for sure. I mean, I'll guess this one, though. Yeah, it's definitely one of these bottom two answers. Next, we got Crispy Taco saying, "Wife got the SR, let's go." Shout out to Crispy Tacos, man. That SR is extremely rare. That's a $7,000 NFT right now. Shout out to our homie Crispy Tacos. Next, we got one associate saying, "I've never seen this price appreciation this fast on drop day. Common selling over $100. Now, that's exactly what happens when you have a rare NFT. I mean, we'll talk about that at the end again. Crispy Taco, anyone else have this misprint? I got uncommon, and it has the common cover inside it. Interesting. I didn't even look at mine yet, man, but maybe I'll check it out. Shout out Crispy Tacos. Next, we got Math Diver saying, "Account got more than one should be banned." It's quite obvious that their fishy behavior from Math Diver. Again, we'll talk about that at the end of the video. Great Temperature. How do you honestly think this will sell for? Number 7 719. Oh, he said, how much do you honestly think this will sell for? Number 719 uncommon. I mean, if the uncommon is selling for 200 right now, I would not be selling that thing for anything less than. I mean, to be honest with you, I would probably list it at $400 and see what happened, and I would probably reduce it over time and just kind of go from there. Next, we got the Fallen saying, almost missed the drop, but managed to snag this little beauty. Actually, let me go back. This might be worth way more than I'm expecting. To be honest with you, I would not be selling this thing for less than $1,000 right now, is my take on it, actually. Let me go backwards to great temperature here. This thing is worth a lot of money. This thing is worth a lot of money. Next, we got the Fallen. Almost missed the drop, but managed to snag this little beauty. Like, how did you almost miss the drop and manage to snag the secret rare, the Fallen? Ah, that's tough, man. All these people having no luck on the drop at all, and you're just casually walking in, huh? New to Veve, I managed to snag one of the Kang uncommons. Very nice for a homie hidden donut. Sorry. Next we got Boros Glass Mage saying, "Dear whoever did not purchase it, let me get this rebound listing. Thank you. Shout out to our homie Boros Glass Mage. Got extremely lucky and managed to cop an ultra rare on the bounce back. Insane, dude. Insane. That's like $1,000 NFT. Next, we got Checks 1MH saying VVAR. Kang the Conqueror. The Avengers. Let's go. Less chances of getting common. Does anyone have any good VV Discord servers or Telegrams? I don't know. So, what's next? I need my VV fix. Shout out to soft release. Soft release. Next drop possibly? Question mark. Will you dare taste the rainbow VV fam? Whoa, maybe this is the next drop. We got a rainbow Labbit coming? Who knows? Suggestion for VV team shout out. Pokemon card NFTs. Will it ever happen? Who knows, man? Shout out to Dogecoin. Next, we got boobs for you. Anyone else? I don't know if you're showing us the comic or what. If it's just not like loading up for you, so I don't know what you're showing us, dude. I don't know. Next, we got soft release. We got the next drop coming up on Thursday, guys. Whew, we got the first appearance of Black Widow, guys, and of course the secret rare has Black Widow on it. Let's go. Next, we got Boarding Gate 21, my ultra rare. Shout out to our homie Fun Potential with the ultra rare Enterprise. Let's go. We got Kent Leong saying market temporary close. Market closes during the drop. If it closed right now, I don't know what to tell you, my man. And that's it, guys. That's all the Reddits. And then we got Omi's price trading at 0.003862. Omi can be your homie. I'm not going to be your poppy, and nothing in this video is financial advice. You guys already know that. Now let's quickly address the bots, okay, guys? I am not so sure that the bots are really the problem. I mean, there was only like a very small amount of NFTs and a lot of people going for them. It only makes sense that a lot of people wouldn't get them, I guess. The people that got more than one, I think that like in my opinion, if you guys want my opinion, I think that it's just people with two devices. I don't think it's people that are botting. I think it's just people with multiple phones. Like if people are ending up with two comics, they probably have two phones that they're doing it on. If they got three comics, they probably have three devices. Maybe they have a tablet. Maybe they have two phones and a tablet, right? That's where my mind is at with it. I could be wrong about that. I'd love to know what you guys' thoughts are down below. If you did not comment and let me know what you got from the drop, I would love to know what you guys got. Again, I did get the uncommon. I'm very happy about it, guys. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Sorry about the super long video, but there was a lot to bring you guys today. I will be with you guys in the next video tomorrow morning. We'll probably go over the drop for Thursday a little bit more in depth. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.